Have you ever gotten in a position where you found out this huge secret and you're just excited about it that you just have to tell someone? That's exactly where I am right now. I just found this really awesome website where you can find hundreds, and I mean hundreds, of ways to make money online. It's an amazing website that not a lot of people know about. With this method, you can earn anywhere from $200 up to $300, no experience required. This is a great way to make your first ever earnings online. Also, this method works worldwide, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN, because this method will work no matter where you are from. In this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you guys can set up this awesome income stream. Anybody can try this out. There are no prerequisites for this method, which makes it really good for those of you who want to earn their first dollars online. Now, I want you guys to listen to this video very closely, because if you miss some of the steps that I will show you, then you might actually end up wasting your time and not make money at all. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of this video, because I will share a secret tip and trick that you can use with this method to maybe double or even triple your online income. But before we start, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Please consider also giving this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please leave a comment down below. We reply to each and every comment. Now, let's get back to the video. The website that I'm going to show you in this video is called Money Pantry. That's moneypantry.com. On their website, they offer simple solutions to earn and save money. Money Pantry is a personal finance blog that helps people who want a better financial life. And if you scroll down, you'll actually see that what Money Pantry does is they have a collection of blog posts with a very brief but concise description of different websites that you can use to earn money, save money, and get freebies. So these are actually the three major categories of the kind of blog post contents that they have. Under each category, there are several different posts, but since the focus of our video will be making money, we're actually going to focus on this category right here. As you can see, there are different posts about making money online, job hiring, college students, and so on. You can explore any of these links and it will lead you to their actual blog posts with an even more in-depth description of each money-making avenue. I've opened up this article right here, Get Paid to Write, and this article covers 101 sites where you can earn $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Now, don't worry about writing the articles, guys, because I'll actually be showing you a way to make those articles without having to write a single thing from scratch. Doesn't that sound amazing? I'm really excited to show you this little trick, so make sure you stay until the very end of this video and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. In the article itself, you're going to find a list of websites that will pay you per blog post that you make. And these are really amazing opportunities that you don't want to miss out on. For this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn from one of these websites with the use of Google. So for that, I'm going to go into the general interest category. General interest is super easy to write in. You can write literally anything that you are interested in, and you don't even have to be an expert on the topic. If you don't know what you want to write about, or if you don't know where to begin, that's where Google comes in. Google is a great way to help you find your inspiration for your article. And even if you're not a very good writer, you can just get some text from different sources, rephrase them a little bit, and you can make your own articles to submit as a blog post. So under general interest category, the first website that they have listed is called Vibrant Life. For articles or posts that you submit to Vibrant Life, you can actually earn $100 to $300 per post. To go to their website, you can just click on Vibrant Life and it's going to lead you to the writer's guidelines on their website. That's going to look something like this. Now, on their website, you're going to see what kind of article Vibrant Life is looking for, and this will help you create your articles to those standards. Mostly what Vibrant Life is looking for are articles that cater to men or women and family. They want articles that are written in an informal, interesting, and easy to read style. And they only want them to be 450 to 650 words long. And you can get paid up to $300 per post. Now, just to show you guys how much that actually is, we're going to head on over to this website right here. This website is called Text Broker. On this website, you can also get paid to write articles, but how much you can earn will depend on your rating, which is based on your writing style. On this website, they actually have a calculator that will actually allow you to get an estimate on how much you can earn. Let's say, for example, that you have a 3-star rating and you're able to write 500 words. That's only going to get you around $5. But with Vibrant Life, you can earn $100 to $300 with 450 to 650 words long posts. Because you can have your article submitted online, on Vibrant Life, you can actually use this website no matter where you are right now. But I'm curious, guys, what country are you watching from right now? Comment down below what country you are watching from so that I will know where my viewers are coming from. Now, I'm going to show you how you can start to make your articles. For this, you're only going to need Google, since I'm going to create a post that's going to be submitted on Vibrant Life. I'll be creating an article on the topic of home exercise. Exercise is actually one of the specific areas of interest in Vibrant Life. And home exercises seems to be a real topic of interest that a lot of people would want to read about. So that's going to be the type of article that I'm going to be creating. Of course, you can make articles based on other areas of interest on Vibrant Life, or if you choose a different website, you can easily follow with these steps that I'm about to show you with your desired topic. Now, we're going to start off on Google. I'm going to search home exercise tips, and Google is going to give me several results that I can actually browse through and get ideas from. But my favorite place to get ideas or inspiration from is Quora. Quora is a platform where anyone can ask a question and a community of people will give a response. You can actually get a lot of interesting ideas and perspectives from the responses that you get. So on the Google search engine, I'm just going to add the word Quora to the end, and that's going to give me a list of results that is directly coming from Quora. So I'm going to click on this one right here that says, what are good hacks and tips for exercise, fitness, and working out? Now, you can just go through the answers that people have written and get inspiration from their perspectives. The highest rated answers will be the ones that are on the top. So that's going to be this answer right here. You can of course go through the other answers, or you can go to the bottom and check out the related questions. And you can draw inspiration from those answers as well. Now, what you're going to do is open up Google Docs. So we're going to go back to Google and click on this window icon right next to your account, and scroll down to Docs and open it up. On Google Docs, you want to start a new document. You can just click on the blank template from the template gallery, and that's going to give you an untitled Google Docs document where you can copy and paste all of your favorite answers or favorite paragraphs from different articles that you found on Google. This file will be basically the place for you to dump all of your resources once you are satisfied with all the information that you've collected. You can now start to organize all the information that you've gathered. To make sure that your article is 100% original, you can simply paraphrase the text that you just copied and pasted. This will allow you to avoid plagiarism and will raise your chances of getting a higher payment of your work. Another nice tip that you can use while you're creating your article on Google Docs is to use the voice typing tool. This tool will allow you to actually dictate words, and it's going to automatically type that up for you. On Google Docs, the way to access this tool is to click on the Tool tab and then click on Voice Typing. Now, all you have to do is click on the microphone button, and the words that you speak into the microphone, Google will automatically turn into text for you. Now, simply click under the microphone, and once it turns red, you can start to speak. For example, exercise at home to stay healthy. Once you've completed your article, you can simply submit it on Vibrant Life or on the website that you've chosen, and then you can get paid for that. Remember, Vibrant Life is only looking for articles that are around 450 to 650 words long. They don't even want you to exceed 1,000 words. And considering how short that is, you can easily start to make articles for this website. And you can apply this method to other websites on the list. All you have to do is find the website, check out what kind of articles they are looking for, Draw inspiration from Google, create your own article on Google Docs, submit them, and get paid. And that is the end of our video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. And don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.